There's the finished product. My new shed. It looks really great. I got a lot of stuff to put back into it and go through it. It's nice. And I've got some bottom that goes around. I gotta go get it. A little picket fence kind of thing. Yeah. Yay. Hey, I just thought I'd share what we're doing. What is today? Friday afternoon. Came to get the mail. Thought we'd play some cribbage and eat popsicles. Jim's over there getting his popsicle. It's a very warm day as usual, but nothing out of the ordinary. And that's what's going on a Friday afternoon. That's our August calendar. So Monday the 7th, ladies' lunch. And we're going to a Caribbean style place. We're having a ice cream sandwich day at happy hour. Bocchino. You know, just little things during the summer. It's not quite as busy. But hey, you know. So that's what we're doing. Get it open?
Finally, yeah.
Say hi to everybody. I just
Hello.
told them we were here playing cribbage and eating popsicles.
Having great bites.
Yeah. Okay, we're playing our game. I just thought I'd show you what we're doing. Easy living here in the resort. Hi everyone, Debs here. And I'm headed to the grocery store for a few things. Today's Saturday and I work Sunday and Monday, so this is the best opportunity to get some stuff to last for the weekend. Hope everyone's doing well. I've been setting up my jewelry making table, which is good, and eventually get my painting table also. So I'm going to use both my tables, one for painting and one for jewelry making. I need a few things so I can put things away. I need some, I don't know, some small storage spaces that would fit, which I will get after the weekend at probably Walmart, although I could go to a thrift store. It's about 99 degrees, at least it is in the car here, it says. So it's pretty cool. Yeah, I'm getting used to this heat. A little potluck dinner tonight. Fish and chips was really the theme. Not bad, not bad. Well, it is about 8 something in the evening. Just finished our little swim in the pool. And it's a beautiful evening and it feels really cool now. I won't put you on. We don't need to be filming in our bathing suits. Anyway, that's what we're doing on Monday evening. And that's all. That's about it for the night. I love the wind and the palm trees. Swaying in the breeze. Hey everyone. Debs here. I've got a new product that I'm going to review. This is the Opus, or Opes, depending on how you say it. 1200 watt solar generator. Comes with a book. You're charging one for the car, one for the home, and of course solar too. It was packaged really, really nicely. So I'm going to use it. I think what I'm going to try to do in the next, well, not this minute, but I'm going to plug it in and use my air fryer. See if that stops my breaker from, because I was using my air fryer, and with the hot sun and the AC, it would trip the breaker. So this is going to be a test to see, not only will it help you when the lights go out in the storm, but it could run appliances. So let's just see what happens. I'll be back and show you more. I am sitting here waiting for Jim. That's Jim's home. He's gonna be right out in a minute. We are headed to go to a place called Thai Express. Excuse me, Thai Express, which is a Thai food, but it's like you go up to a counter and you order your food, and then you bring it to your table. But it's delicious food, and it's just like kind of Thai food, but more of a not fast food, but something you don't get waiters and all that stuff, which is fine for me. Yeah, a little splurge today. Yeah, nice here. It's very warm, about 102. And there is a breeze, and I'm waiting. He's got the keys, so I'm sitting here with the windows open. Lovely warm day in this sunny South Texas town. So I'll pick this up when we are on the way. We are on our way to a restaurant called Thai Express. Jim's driving. Let's say hi, everybody. Anyway, we're on our way. Because of copyrighted music, let me tell you, that soup was so good. Tom Yum soup, and it's just delicious. That's pad thai that came with it. I put coconut cream on top, and it was just right. And Jim had pad thai. We wound up, that pad thai came home with me. The soup was awesome. That was a really, really nice dinner. Don't you think, for that kind of a place? It tasted very fresh.
Oh, yeah.
Delicious.
Yeah, I thought that was a good meal.
I'd come back again.
It's probably even healthy.
Yeah, better than some. And we're bringing home stuff.
Yep.
I brought my whole pad thai, other than a few bites. That soup was good.
It's a big bowl of soup.
Yeah, I asked for a small.
Yeah.
Anyway, we're on our way back home. It was a nice way to break up the week. Well, this is my living room, shaping up more for me. These are some of the beads I've got. This is my jewelry making table with a great lamp. This will be my painting when I bring it all in. I actually have an empty, I forgot to put that down, but that's empty for art supplies. Yes, and I'm going to cook. This is a recipe. Well, it's not really anything major, but this is chicken that's seasoned from the Mexican supermarket, Aguilero's, and these are raw tortillas. And I'm going to show you how easy it is to cook them, and it tastes so much better. This is some of the jalapeno quesadilla cheese blend that you get at the Mexican supermarket. And this you can get anywhere, but I like it. So let's put this together, shall we? I'm going to cut up an onion, saute it with the chicken, squeeze a little lemon on there, and then do the tortillas. Oops. Just cutting it up, not fancy. The chicken, I've never tried it before, but they have different seasoned, ready to go beef and chicken and pork. So this has, I don't know, like green peppers, red peppers in there. Let's put some heat on the stove. put a little olive oil in my pan. And let's get a little more light here. That's better. Okay. Alright. Just gonna see what this tastes like. I really should have put the onions in first. Oh well. I like onions. And these are sweet onions. Supposed to be seasoned. Alright. I put a little salt. I'm not sure how it is, but I'm going to put a little salt and pepper. Gonna make a taco out of it with cheese on top. It's just simple. Should be pretty tasty though. Done. Not quite. So my little house is cozy for sure. You see I don't have a whole lot of space on my counter. Every little space matters here. Everything has to have a place. Forced to be a minimalist. Almost. Almost done. I'm going to get all the pink out of it, of course. Are uncooked, and that's the difference. They're in the refrigerator department and they're ready to be cooked. I'm gonna cook 2 of them. About medium. And these are real thin, handmade, ready to be heated up. Just put it in there. As it heats up, it's going to bubble. That's the filling for my tacos. Takes a little bit of time. I am so warm. It's like 103 out. Just leave them alone. They're not stuck or nothing. Now you can sort of see them start to bubble. Once they start to bubble, Just kind of smush down the bubbles. Keep them cooking. Yeah. Turn it over. You can see it's cooked. Very homemade. I'm just gonna bubble up on that side. I don't have a tortilla warmer, you know, that keeps them warm. I only make 2. But you want to make sure the dough's cooked. Whoa. Almost lost it. I'm terrible. I didn't lose it though. Okay, this one's probably done, so I've got my dish. And I'm going to put another one on. I'm going to put some, let's see, some filling. See him puffing up. Sorry. Not the best videographer. Jim's coming up, so if you hear him, my friend Jim. Yeah, blowing up. Come on in. I'm videoing, Jim, just to let you know. Okay, and that, okay, and that is, okay, this is my second one. This time I put cheese on it first. That's it. It's turned off. And that's it. Should have melted the cheese, but it's better. Not so great. That's gonna be good. Hope you enjoyed that. Hi everyone, RV Debs here, and it is Monday, and I'm going out to lunch. They call it lunch with the ladies on I think it's the first Monday of the month. And if you see behind me, there's a baseball cap that I painted years ago of Rosie. Yeah. And anyway, so I'm going out to lunch, and I'll try to video as much as possible. And that's what's going on here. I have just been working on jewelry. You know, I've made jewelry for years. These are new. Just a sparkly, beautiful blue. But I've done a lot of stuff. The one that I just did, I created this one yesterday. It's 40 inches, so it's really long. And I love all the new crystals that I bought. I'm using on here. So it's got a lot of bling. Yeah. It's pretty cool. It's a beautiful necklace. These kind of necklaces, I mean, I'm wearing a pattern, so not the greatest with that, but any plain top, this really makes the outfit. Check out my Etsy shop. I hang all of the new earrings that I make on my screen behind me. You know, when you live in a small space, you have to have ingenuity. You have to be very creative and try to be as minimal as you can. I'm not a minimalist, so it is difficult for me to just, you know, have the bare necessities. But I'm trying. Isn't that cute? Little Rosie. She's missed. Okay, so let's go out to lunch, shall we? I wanted to cut into the video here and explain because when I went to the restaurant with the ladies, I did not video. It was a horrific lunch, unfortunately. The food wasn't bad, but it certainly wasn't worth the money that they charged. It was a Cuban Caribbean style, and no one spoke English really, so that was another problem. And the food came out one at a time. Like, I got mine, then 10 minutes later, the lady brought out the other. There was only 3 of us. But we were so disappointed, but that wasn't all. I'm sitting there, I had a cup of coffee before my lunch came finally. And I'm sitting across from my friend Betty. And Betty looks at me and says, "Don't move." I'm like, "Don't move?" I'm freaking, because don't move means there's a bug on me. And she tries to whack this thing off of me. And we don't see it anymore. And I'm like, "What was it?" And she said it was just a bug. So we finally get our food, and it's like disappointing because it's really not what we thought it was going to be. And the amount you got for the $19 for one dish, it was like a bowl of oatmeal. That was the size of it wasn't oatmeal. It was kind of like stuffing that's made with plantains, green plantains. It's supposed to have pork in it. I couldn't find any meat in it. Anyway, so like we're in the middle of eating finally, and then Betty says to me again, "It's back, don't move." At this point, and I'm kind of aggravated just with the dinner, the lunch, I look down, I freak out, I knock this thing that I see off and run. I mean, like, I got off that chair. I was on the other side of the restaurant. Thank God it was pretty much empty. I saw a spider. We're not talking about a little spider that you can like just smush. This spider's body, I'm not kidding you, was like that big, and it had legs, and it was black, and the manager or the owner, I'm not even sure, he came running in and took care of it. So the lunch wasn't very good, and that's why I did not record anymore. So forgive me for the crazy recordings. This is just kind of a 2-week taking some videos here and there, so bear with me. I'm on my little watch. I just kind of go all over the place in the golf cart when I work. Oh look, fruit in the tree. I think they're lemons. Do you see them? Yeah. That's cool. In the winter we have a lot of lemons and oranges. Right, and grapefruits right here in the park. 3rd Street. That's the 4th over there. And I'm on the 1st Street where I live. It's 105 degrees today. And the only reason I'm out here is I had to go to the office and do some work, and then I thought, well, let me go around at least once. Let's see. There's the office and the apartments. So this is the Americana RV Resort. And people are into butterflies and birds. Yes, that's what they do. That's what they're into. And there's our pool, and it's gated at night. It's closed, which is good. I never go out at night anyway. So this is my little neighborhood, my community. I'm so glad I'm here. Even with the heat, I'm learning to just live with it. There's my place. Nice and shady, which is good. My new shed. I'm going to work outside here soon when the weather's cooler. Because right now everything's just turned brown and I don't even water. But I'm going inside and cool down. Just pulling out of my place. I have to go to a doctor at 3:15. But before I do that, I gotta go to the post office and mail earrings. Yes, indeed. Thank you so much for the purchase on my Etsy shop. This is going to Carolyn in South Carolina. Thank you, Carolyn. Oh, it's wonderful. I'm so grateful that I can, have the ability to live on my Social Security with my little extras that I've drummed up in my life. Yeah, I'm very grateful for the YouTube channel, for being able to have an Etsy shop and paint and make jewelry and people like it. Yeah, grateful. Been doing it for years though. I have lived off of my own 2 hands for most of my life, actually. I used to play guitar and sing. For those of you who don't know, a lot of you already know, because I've been sharing my life for over 7 years, but for the new people here, I was raised in Los Angeles, California. Went to Hollywood High School in the 60s. And in the 70s, I had a manager and I played guitar and sang. That was my goal, was to be, a songwriter. Was actually where I thought I could make a lot of money. Well, that didn't happen. But I played guitar and sang for my living for years. Like, oh God, I don't know, at least 20 to 25 years. And then I got into doing art and craft and stuff. But anyway, yeah. And now I'm older, way older, and don't play the guitar anymore, unfortunately. It's something that I should have never stopped. If I had one regret, I try not to have too many, but the one regret that I do have is that I stopped playing the guitar when I met my husband. He liked long nails, and so I just stopped playing the guitar and grew out, had acrylic nails for years. away a very big gift that was given to me by God, you know. So I can pick up the guitar and try to play, but my fingers have no calluses. My hands don't have the flexibility that you need when you play guitar. And, you know, just that's it. Snooze, you lose, right? So, you know, words of wisdom is if you have a talent, don't stop, because it's like any muscle, you know. If you don't use it, it atrophies. I think that's the word, right? I'm on my way to the post office. I am going to end the video fairly soon so that I can literally get a video out to you guys. I have been slacking a little bit on just doing videos or editing them together. Sometimes I'll start a video and then I'll be at a restaurant and I'll be like, I'm here, you know, and then I start eating my food and I realize, oh, I didn't show you my food. I didn't show you the plate. And that screws that up. And it's happened before a few times. So I will try to put this together really soon. It is, right now it's Thursday. So I'll talk to you guys soon. I'm going to turn this off. Enjoy your day, wherever you are, or you're not.